What's going on, y'all? This is J Mizzle 24, or just James Mosley on Facebook. Anyway, I'm a part of this Facebook group or forum called Acura RDX, stock or modified. Anyway, I've been through like a couple blow off valves, and typically with the blow off valves I would adjust it to like where I would have minimal flutter. Well, yesterday I got rid of most of the flutter, but I was still experiencing some flutter. So Will Hendo on the Facebook group, so if you are an RDX driver and you want to learn some things about the RDX and you want to do some modifications or anything like that, go on Facebook and look up the Acura RDX stock or modified group. So Will Hendo on there, he has a good build on there as well, and he figured out that when you put a aftermarket blow off valve on there, you are going to get a flutter. All right, and that is typically, let me show you. That's typically the blow off valve can't get a good yeah, this thing right here, this is your blow off valve solenoid, or bypass valve solenoid. Okay, so what he told me to do is basically block this port off, block these two ports, take the vacuum line that would go from here to here, and just run that to the actual blow off valve. So now I got the top of the blow off valve, the vacuum of the blow off valve going to the intake manifold, and I got this solenoid pretty much blocked off. Excuse me if you can't really see it, but yeah, so this solenoid right here is still plugged up, it's just blocked off the vacuum lines, and then I got the main vacuum line going to the vacuum of the blow off valve. It seems to work. I went on tons of test rides today, and it is verified it works. All right, so my setup is the J35 throttle body, XSPower Blow Off Valve with the bypass valve solenoid bypass, custom cold air intake, brush muffler, resonator delete. I got 750cc injectors on the way, and I'm just basically on a base map tune right now. But yeah, man, it worked out, and I just want to thank everybody on that forum or the page that helped me out with any kind of info. But yeah, man, I'm happy. I got my whoosh, no fluttering, and we good, man.